Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Absolutely. As long as the virus is given a chance to infect more people, mas damo nga tao ang malatnan sang virus, mas taas ang chance nga may mutation nga matabo, and because of these mutations, may dugang pagid nga mga variant nga magwa in the future. So that's why the vaccination programs, not only in the Philippines but all over the world, are very important, because this is one of the ways that we could stop the virus in its tracks. Kumbaga, kung ganaton nga makahawa pa siya, makalaton sa ibang pang tao, and with that we prevent the virus from replicating, we prevent the virus from mutating further.